Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Err Gfx State RDR2. First, restart your PC and update your GPU drivers using the manufacturer's installer to avoid corrupted installs. Next, verify game files through the launcher and remove any overlays that may interfere. Finally, test settings with a clean boot and run the game at default graphics before applying custom tweaks to isolate the issue. Start by uninstalling your GPU driver with Display Driver Uninstaller for a clean slate, then install the latest stable driver from the manufacturer. Turn off overlays and background recording in apps like Discord and Shadow Play to reduce conflicts. If issues persist, roll back to a previous stable driver and set Windows Power Plan to high performance to prevent power-related throttling during gameplay. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep making troubleshooting guides. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and reduce life stress, making game upgrades feel more intentional. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Verify game files through your launcher to repair corrupted data and remove any mods that might be incompatible. Reset graphics settings to default, lower texture and shadow quality, and disable TAA or other post-processing options that can trigger the error. If the game runs stable, reintroduce settings one at a time to find the culprit, and keep a backup of working configs for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.